Today in weather, the attention is on the elevated fire danger in our area. The National Weather Service has put out a fire weather warning in this area, highlighted in the hot pink color. It's in place from 3 to 9 p.m. tonight, mostly for gusty winds and low humidity. So the low humidity means the air is just really pulling that moisture out of our vegetation, our grasses, our brush, which makes it extremely flammable, and it means it can burn large areas very quickly, especially if we have those gusty winds. Not to say that fires are not possible in areas outside of this warning spot, but it is elevated in that place specifically. Currently 83 right now in Boise, very sunny and very dry. Humidity is at 14% right now. Oh, our camera's changing of view. 20 to 30% is considered generally low in humidity outside, so very dry, and our temperatures are just going to continue to warm through the afternoon today. Boise could be pushing the low 90s today. Mountain Home could be one of the cities that does reach the low 90s. Same goes for Gooding, down closer to the western Magic Valley and south central Idaho. Mountains will be warm as well. Haley could reach 80. Stanley, McCall likely in the low 70s, so a little bit more comfortable in those really or in those higher mountain cities there. Now, we have had high pressure over the last couple of days, and that is why we have such warm temperatures today ahead of that cold front that's coming into the region. So it's moving closer to the Pacific Northwest right now, hasn't come through southwest Idaho or eastern Oregon just yet, starting to trigger some showers in Washington and Oregon, but it's sending a shortwave trough, a piece of energy from the main core of this upper level trough further off to the west. So temperatures will be cooler tomorrow. Today, with that cold front that comes in this evening, it's going to be a mostly dry cold front. So Futurecast here shows us that this graph model does not seem to think there's going to be much of any precipitation or moisture coming in with this system. There could be a few isolated showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two. It's most likely that that would occur in the mountains to the north of Boise. Treasure Valley does have a very slim chance at seeing a scattered storm or two. It's just not as likely as the mountains have at that possibility. What the Treasure Valley has a better chance at seeing is going to be those gusty winds. They pick up far along that southern Idaho border around 4 or 5 p.m. tonight, fill in through the Treasure Valley overnight and stays pretty gusty. Thursday, fortunately, looks like it will just be breezier east of Boise, so Mountain Home through the western Magic Valley. Not majority of the Treasure Valley seeing as windy of conditions tomorrow. Temperatures fall a little bit tomorrow following that cold front, although we're still looking at the low 80s, still warmer than average for this time of year. We'll get some warmer temperatures on Friday again, but then a second cold front comes through for the weekend, drops our temperatures again Saturday and Sunday.